invaded.
Yeah, we'll wait over there.
So cute. Come on, Leprechaun, let's go home.
Oh, see her?
The leprechaun rat. It's leprechaun rat. It has a rainbow face. Leprechaun. I'm a leprechaun. And I have my little looker. I see you. You're a green one. This leprechaun looker looks green. Leprechaun.
Hey, you got a beard.
Leprechauns have beards.
Leprechauns have little beards, yeah. Little red beards.
Look at the leprechaun on the corner.
The leprechaun was dancing.
Ida, how come you said that's not a real leprechaun? Maybe it is.
No, it isn't. Leprechauns are small. Remember those? I saw footprints, and those footprints were small.
I think you're right. I think leprechauns are small.
Leprechauns.
Leprechaun! Leprechaun!
Okay, no, it says already stupid. Okay, today we saw a leprechaun. It just passed by, and guess what? Leprechauns are real, I guess, because you know why? Because I saw little feet on my door. It was a huge mess. Tables were, crayon boxes were knocked down. Chairs were on the table. Footprints on the table. But guess what? I was so close catching the leprechaun because my thing was down. And the leprechaun left some glitter behind, and it was right by my leprechaun trap. So whatever it is, it's like a miracle. But those leprechauns made a huge mess in the room. I don't like it, those leprechauns.
Don't shoot! I'm filming inside Ida's leprechaun looker. I think I found one. A really violent one.